Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into using Todoist to manage your household chores. This is the complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you want to create a new project in Todoist specifically for your household chores. This helps us segregate our chores from other tasks, ensuring we don't miss out on anything. Now, click on the plus sign at the bottom right, select New Project, and name it Household Chores. Next up, let's add tasks to our project. Click on the Add Task button in your Household Chores project. Now enter a chore, say, clean the kitchen. This step is important because it helps us outline our responsibilities and prioritize them according to our schedule. Now that we've added a task, let's add a due date. Click on the task you've just created and select Schedule. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist's intelligent scheduling feature helps you organize your chores based on due dates, ensuring you never miss a task. The reason we do this is to put our chores on a timeline. This way, we're not overwhelmed by all our chores at once, but can tackle them one at a time systematically. Next, we'll use the priority feature. Select a task and click on the priority button. Here, you can set the priority level from P1 to P4, with P1 being the highest. This helps us because it allows us to highlight the most urgent tasks, ensuring that they get done first. Finally, we are going to use Todoist's Labels feature. Add a label to your tasks, such as morning, afternoon, or evening. This helps us divide our chores into manageable chunks throughout the day, preventing us from getting burned out. So, with those steps, you've effectively organized your household chores using Todoist. Remember, the key here is to keep your chores organized and prioritized, reducing stress and making your household run more smoothly. And there you have it. With Todoist, managing your household chores is as easy as pie. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.